Hello all, welcome to Bonadeafashions. Directly to the video, firstly we are seeing borderless soft silk sarees with unique putta weaving body and contrast rich pallu and blouse, which is priced at 1500. Moving to the next collection is again a borderless collection. The material is soft Litchi silk and which is coming in a price range of 670 rupees along with the free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And about the design, that's the silver zari woven rich pallu, and that's the body. Beautiful Meena puttas are there running throughout the body, and that's the plain blouse with borders. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. Moving to the next collection is again a soft Litchi silk sarees. That's a beautiful rich running pallu, and that's the body. Beautiful zari woven borders enhancing the elegance of these collections. And here comes a plain blouse with borders. Next one again a green and pink beautiful combination saree. The material is soft Litchi silk. That's a rich unique pallu. The saree is having a plain body. The highlight of this collection is its contrast beautiful patterns in the border, and which is priced at 720 rupees, and that's the contrast blouse with borders. Next one again a soft Litchi silk saree. That's a rich contrast pallu. The body part is having small tiny puttas running throughout with contrast borders and a contrast blouse with borders. Next one again in the same pattern. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries through the given WhatsApp number only. And also note our payment mode is through online only. And if you guys wanted to join our WhatsApp group, please note we are having separate groups for silk sarees and pure cotton sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. All these links and details be there on the description. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.